Hopefully you are all well. In this video we design a poster in mobile. This is my first video in English language, so if I speak wrong or anything, please avoid. First of all, I open Pixellab app and image size. I adjust image size. Okay. Square, I adjust image size for post. Usually this size square size is used for post, or 1080 or 1080 is used for social media post for okay. First of all, I set the size of the canvas. This is called canvas. This is canvas, or background, we can say background. Now we use color to set background, but first we import a PNG. If you don't know about PNG is a image which has no background. Without background, image is a PNG. So I download image, PNG image from Google. I will import there, and then I tell you how to design a post. I am little hesitant about my speaking in English, but please ignore the I download a PNG of car. I am trying to find this one. I imported the PNG of car which I downloaded from Google, where I only wrote car PNG. Now we will set a background. Why I import first PNG? Because I want to pick a gradient color from PNG. So I open the color option and use gradient option and press the plus icon, and now there are two options for picking two colors. So first I pick the color. There is a picker option, color picker. I use, and on from this image I will pick one color. I picking one light color from the car. Okay, and then I select this option and again picking the second color. I am picking second color from the car, but I this time little bit dark, and also we can dark from here. Now I will adjust gradient. This option is used for to swap the color. Okay, now background is set, but I will use a light there in behind the car. Now I will use the text option and will write we can say a beautiful car. Okay, and through double T button you can capital the letters, and now you will use the font option. Pick the fonts. I am picking the Unisans font, and this is that is. Now I will copy the font, and I will transparent the fill. Now will enable the stroke option, white color, and stroke is 1 pixel. Now I will copy and use in the same way, and there, and we in the background there I set it to the background of the car, this text, and one text copy is in front, also in background. So though our design is completed there, very easy to design this type of post in mobile. Hopefully you will like the posts. Thank you.